In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom survey in HubSpot, providing a comprehensive walkthrough of the process. To begin, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account, and then navigate over to Service, and from the dropdown, select Feedback Surveys. This is the centralized hub where you can manage and create your surveys. Once you're there, head to the upper right corner and click on that Create Survey button. This opens up your options for survey types. For our purposes, you'll want to go with the Custom Survey. Choosing this option gives you the flexibility to craft a survey tailored to your specific needs and gather the precise insights you're looking for. Now, let's talk distribution. HubSpot offers three primary delivery methods: email, shareable link, and web page. If you choose email, your survey will be sent directly to your contacts, making it personal and ensuring it reaches the intended audience. Opting for a shareable link is fantastic if you want a standalone page that can be shared easily across various platforms or even directly embedded in your communications. Lastly, embedding the survey onto a web page is a great way to capture responses directly from visitors browsing through your site. Now, onto the fun part: customizing your survey. Start by giving it a name. Simply click the pencil icon at the top of the interface to rename your survey, something that resonates with the content and the purpose it serves. Moving on to building out your survey, you'll find a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Here you can add a variety of question types, including multiple choice, open text fields, and rating scales, among others. Each question you add will require a feedback property. This part is crucial as it determines where the responses are stored and how they can be analyzed later. Keeping this organized will facilitate more detailed and insightful data analysis. If you've chosen to distribute via email, take a moment to configure your email settings. Customize the language, company name, subject line, and the body of the email to ensure it's aligned with your branding and messaging. This helps create a consistent and professional experience for your respondents. Don't forget to customize the thank you messages. This little touch appears after the survey is submitted and leaves a lasting impression. A personalized thank you can show appreciation and encourage future engagement. Once you've taken the time to refine your survey, go ahead and click on Review and Publish. Take this moment to ensure all settings and content are exactly how you want them. It's your last chance to catch any errors or tweaks before going live. You'll have the option to send the test surveys, which is highly recommended to iron out any kinks. Finally, hit that Publish button. Now your custom survey is set to start collecting valuable data. Make sure to review responses periodically to gain insights that can drive improvements in your service, product, or customer satisfaction.